Here's a little bit of an update on what's going on. I have changed the rear main seal, and the big old gasket that looks like that has been changed out, put a new one in. What I did notice about these seals, getting them out was a prick. Pushing it in, strangely enough, you could push it in by hand, and there's a little locator plate as well, which looks like that goes on and helps you locate the actual rear main bearing seal over the actual shaft, the main. So that's on everything else. Now here's something I noticed. This is the hamburger oil pan that we got, part of the swap in a box. Okay, here's the problem with it. Okay, I know that it does have, and I realised later, it's got a remote oil filter. I don't mind that. But if you look around it, and underneath it, you'll notice there's nowhere for a dipstick. Some dipstick decided, let's make a pan that doesn't have a dipstick. So now I've got to work out how I'm going to do this, and the only way I can think is on the other HSV. You can actually see there is this one here, this one here. These come in contact with the oil dipstick thing tube. As you can see, the seal, I've just glued the seal in there at the moment. Got a bit of room to play with. I am going to have to nip out a bit of this, and I'm going to have a little tube welded in here that's going to allow me to put the dipstick in it. I would have liked to have known when I got the oil pan that it didn't have a dipstick, because there's now cost involved in that and it's inconvenience. But anyway, so anyone who's buying one, just be note, there is no dipstick. It's great if you don't want to check your oil, unless you want to drain your oil every time and know how much is in there, but there you go. So that's where we're at, and that's the update for today.